So you know what qualities and skills you need to become a researcher. And now we are going to discuss how to select a research topic. Okay, the first and foremost thing we know from the roadmap, we discussed that the identification of the research topic or problem or question. This is the first and foremost thing you have to do. And you know, after the lecture, I will ask you to form teams of 2 persons, and you have to select a topic based on the lectures or on your previous experiences. Everyone has to form team, and they have to the team have to submit a topic what they are intended to do as a part of this course, because you know our intention is not to just deliver lecture. We will ask you to perform different activities. You know, we have 7 maybe 12 tasks with this course, and if you perform it with us according to we instructed you, then inshallah you will be able to publish paper. But if you don't mind it, you don't take it seriously, then it will be hard for you to publish paper at the end of this course. So that's the thing we are going to discuss is the topic selection. Okay, so you know, there are people find research topic in many ways, but I found few steps to select the research topic effectively. So I say efficient ways for research topic selection. So if you just I wanted to involve you in the lecture. That's why sometimes I will allow you to read or explain. Do you like it or no? Just I am talking and talking. What do you like? Yeah, I think you should participate with me. Am I right? It will be more interactive. Otherwise, online courses is always not fruitful if you don't show any interaction. So please, can you please any one of you read this line only, no explanation. Just read this line. Okay. Yes, just read this line.
Before first choosing an headline.
Yes, everything.
Choosing an effective research topic. Be organized. Maximize your research efforts. Getting ideas for your topic. Choose a topic. Focus on your topic. Broaden your topic. Narrow your topic. Formulate a thesis statement.
So if you heard the reading of Joanna, I think you already have some ideas what you have to do. Okay, let me explain one by one. Do I need explanation or you understand everything? Do I need to explain?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing is that be organized. What do you mean by be organized? Just for example, I said that in order to maximize your research efforts, you must be organized and efficient in your search efforts. That means, you become interested in a topic and you search on Google Scholar, ResearchGate, or YouTube, or Google, or other repositories, but you did not keep track what you searched and what research article you found. You did not download it, or you download it, but you did not organize it in a manner like you saved them by year or by topic. Just everything is jeopardized. That is, you don't have any track. So from the very beginning, you should be organized in your search effort. That means when you are searching anything, you should keep track what you are searching, okay, and save everything, every steps. You know, to do literature review, there are systematic literature review, SLR. Okay, if you want to write a review paper, okay, then you can do it by different ways. There is a scoping review, there is a systematic literature review. I will explain in detail later when we are going to explain the literature review part. Just for your supporting explanation, when you are going to write SLR, that means systematic literature review, then you have to explain every steps. How did you find the paper, what string you use, what words you use, how much paper you found from the different repositories, how you filter out them. So everything you have to explain in the SLR. So it is very helpful for you, whether you write a SLR or not, but it is very important to keep track what you searched and what papers you found and store them in folder by folder, year by year. Or sometimes you download a paper, the title of the paper will not be saved. Then rename the title, rename the paper or file by the title. Okay, like this. So this is one thing. Another thing, the more organized you are in the beginning, the more time you will have to write your thesis. That means if you are not organized, just for example, you download 20 papers and you don't know whose papers you studied for your research, and when you are going to write your thesis or your paper, then you will again in problem. Okay, you don't know where it is, and you again need to search it. So it will consume your time. Be diligent about keeping track of your files in the early phases of your research. I already explained it. Okay. So the thing it is mean by be organized and getting ideas from your topic. So where I can find my topic? Any idea? Where do I find my research topic? Any idea?
Or IEEE or ResearchGate, Google Scholar.
Yeah, these are the online repositories. You can search there, but anywhere else you can get your idea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where?
First of all, I have to choose my area. It may any kinds of area which I like. Then I have to read some paper and guess the lacking and what is the new way. Then
Okay.
I have
Thank
to
you for you. That is studying research papers again. So let me show you some other places where you can find your research idea. That means when you are participating in a course, am I right? So when the professors is delivering lecture and you found something is very interesting, okay, then explore it. Am I right? I am not telling where you find the research article. I am telling where to find the topic. Okay, research topic. How will be? You said that the topic I like most. So where you can find it? Maybe your professor is giving lectures. Okay, then you are interested in some topic, then explore it. And again,
Yes,
talk
sir.
to your peers. Sometimes you can talk to your classmates. If you are in teams, you can discuss with your teammates, your friends and classmates. Okay, then again brainstorming. Okay, you find a topic and then again you search on internet and again you use your brain. What can be there? So this is the way. And news may be a research topic, source of research topic. Am I right? So you found a news. Okay, this is the challenging task, and you were like to have challenge. Then you started the research. And internet is always the source of research topic. And again, your supervisor. Am I right? So if you discuss with your supervisor, maybe your supervisor is updated about the trending research on a specific field. If you discuss with him, you will find some guidance, your idea, and also very relevant topic or maybe trending topic on your field. And also if you see the previous academic works or previous research, you will find also find topic. So thank you for your you said almost correct, you are correct. And the third thing is choose a topic. How to choose a topic? So while choosing a topic, it must be interesting. Choose an interesting topic. Okay, if a topic is not interesting to you, so you will not feel motivated. You are not you will not have energy to do the research. So must choose a topic which is interesting to you, and also the topic must be flexible. Why? What do we mean by flexible? Just for example, okay, fine, I am doing a research and there is only one way to do it. Then it will be hard for you. If you cannot achieve the results, then it will be hard for you. There must be alternative. Okay, this should be flexible, and also ensure that the topic is manageable and that is the material is available. What do you mean by manageable? Okay, your dream is very high, and you don't know what is going to be at the end. So it will be hard for you to do the research, and also look at the materials whether it's available or not. Just for example, what's going on at okay, advanced countries. Okay, you see a paper. Okay, they are working on okay nanomaterials, like for example, or nanotechnology. So you are also ambitious to do this research. But in Bangladesh, maybe I don't know. I am not on this field. Okay, doing nanotechnology research or the scopes or labs are not available. So it is not wise to take this topic. Or just for example, I am a computer scientist and I can order food from my home by clicking on internet. You know, there are many food delivery like Food Panda or other okay websites are there. But I am thinking to develop a website which will okay provide me the taste of the food. Okay, okay, am I right? So I am thinking that I will develop a website when I will order on online, and it will be after paying automatically I will have the taste and appetite of the food. Is it possible with the current technology? No. So you have to think about that, whether the topic is manageable or the material is available. Choose a topic that will enable you to read and understand the literature. Just for example, you took a topic which is not understandable to you. So whether when someone wants to take this course, we suggest them that do you have the subject knowledge? That means if you are from economic, you have to know the theory of economics. If you are from computer science, you know the basics of computer science. If you are from chemistry, you should know the basics of chemistry, like reactions or other things. Okay, so the important thing is that choose a topic which is related to your subject. Am I right? So that you understand the literature. Choose a solvable research problem. There are many research problems which are unsolvable. Okay, just for example, as I am from computer science, it is very easy to give the example, but you can find any example from your field. Just for example, traveling salesperson problem. There is a problem. This is called traveling salesperson problem. This is the NP-hard problem. Okay, if someone want to do research there, he can be okay, do something well, but it is unsolvable problem. So again, there is a risk that your research may not be finished within the time frame. So this is important. Okay, so choose a solvable and make your research topic original. When you are doing any degree, don't focus on review article or okay review research paper. Try to generate some original work. Okay, so again research and read more about your topic. That is again research. Okay, you have to do research on your topic and okay explore more on it. Then you will be finalize the topic. So the fourth thing, focus on your topic. What do you mean by focus on your topic? At first, you have to select a broadened topic. Okay, just for example, if I ask someone like Azizul Haq, which is your mother department, Azizul Haq? Can you hear us, Azizul Haq?
Yes, sir.
What is your subject?
Hello.
Yes, your subject.
My subject is Bachelor of IT, major in AI.
AI. Okay, you are computer science. I don't want computer scientists right now. I want to give examples for other discipline. Am I right? So, Saidul Jamal, which field are you from?
Sir, statistics and data science.
You are always related to computer science. Sorry, I wanted to take someone
Yes,
who is not from computer science. Hassan Muhammad Shoaib, are you maybe you're from which department are you from? Maybe civil. Am I right? Hassan Muhammad Shoaib, can you hear us? Maybe he is.
Yes.
You are from civil. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm civil.
Yeah. Can you tell us the broadened topic of civil engineering research? Broadened topic. Broadened topic, like as I know, structural engineering. Am I right? Structure is a one field. Yeah. Another is
Structural
environment.
engineer as a field.
Another
There are a
environment.
number of
Yeah.
environment,
Yeah,
railway. Transportation.
Yes.
And water engineering.
Water engineering is there.
There are a number of applied field.
Yeah, that is called broaden. If you select a topic, just for example, transport engineering, it does not mean nothing. You have to focus on a particular event, time, person, or group, or place. That means a specific area you need to focus. Am I right? So, just for example, can you give me an example of transportation or structure or environment which will be narrow? Shoaib.
If I select a specific topic, if I said that how to solve a problem, waterlogging problem in a particular area,
Like Chittagong. Like
that
Chittagong.
might be a narrowed, like
Okay.
Chittagong.
Yes.
That might
So,
be a narrowed.
it should be focused on a specific event. Like you said, the water locked. Am I right? You said water locked.
Yeah.
What is the word?
Waterlogging.
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 Okay, it may be a specific time. Let's see in the rainy season. Okay, for the specific group or place related to Chittagong. Am I right? So you have to narrow down the topic. Am I right? I will show you an example how to choose a broadened topic and then narrow down this topic. Inshallah, I will show you by practical. Okay, then you have to formulate a thesis statement. Just for example, we can formulate the thesis statement. What will be the thesis statement for you? Hassan Muhammad, study, like just for example, study of water lock in rainy season in Chittagong region, like this.
Yeah.
I am not expert on civil engineering, but I am trying to formulate a thesis statement. So here is the thesis statement we formed for the computer science. That for example, human face recognition in mobile device using support vector machine. Can you see some parts? Just for example, if I say the human recognition, it is very broad topic. Am I right? Human recognition means I can recognize his face, for body, his hand, his leg, anything. Am I right? When I say face, what do you mean by it? It just organs related to your appearance, like mouth, nose, eyes, eyebrows, like this. Okay. And what I said in mobile device. If I say for desktop or other website, it is only on mobile device. And there are many techniques to do it. We specified support vector machine. This is a machine learning algorithm. So this is the way. I have to, just for example, the broadened topic of this topic, what may be the broadened topic? Human detection. Am I right? Human detection. Okay. This is the broadened topic. But if I want to make it narrow it, then I will say, okay, what do you have to do? We have to do these things. Okay, you have to specify it, and then which device, which place, and what technique you should use. So let discuss this topic again when I will show you the practical part. So the answer to your research question or way to clearly state the purpose of the research. So what you have to do before next class, inshallah, I will announce the class time later. Before next class, you have to formulate a thesis statement or a research statement after forming a team. Okay, inshallah.